Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. The J visa. What is it? How can it help you? And how long does it last for? Well, the J visa is a very versatile visa. It can be used for training, it can be used for internships, it can be used for education. There are a lot of different types of uses for the J visa, and in some respects, it's easier to get than a lot of other visas. So you might ask why. One of the reasons is that the J visa is essentially meant so that you could come to the U.S., gain a skill, however you gain it, again through education, internship, training, and then be able to use that skill back in your home country. And because of that, many of the J visas have what's called the 2-year foreign residency requirement. And what this means is that when you're here on a J, you can't adjust status, you can't change status, you can't do anything except go back to your home country for 2 years and then come back here. Okay? And it is possible to get a J waiver, but if, for example, you come here on a J and you have an internship and you fall madly in love with a U.S. citizen and get married, you are not going to adjust status in the U.S. and be able to get your green card if you're subject to the waiver. So the J visa is really, there's an umbrella organization that sponsors for people who are on J's, which is why it's open to a wide variety of different types of personnel. A lot of people, in fact, who ultimately are doctors, they get the J visa to come here and do their particular internships and their training under J status, and a lot of the money for that is actually paid for by the U.S. government, and that's a surefire way of knowing that it's going to be difficult to get a J waiver. So, if you can't get any other type of visa and you know you can get this, first, make sure whether it is or isn't subject to the 2-year foreign residency requirement, because that might alter your decision ultimately of where to go. Okay.